If you're planning to start a business in Maryland, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Maryland even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Okay, so you might be wondering, why should you form an LLC in Maryland? First of all, a Maryland LLC helps separate your personal assets from your business. That means your home, car, and savings are protected if your business ever faced debt or legal issues, giving you a real peace of mind. You have a flexible operations, so whether you're a solo owner or working with partners, it's the best way to go. And of course, a business-friendly environment. Now, Maryland supports small business and startups with a climate that encourages growth, stability, and innovation. Now, you need to choose a name for your Maryland LLC. Your LLC name must be unique and include one of these: limited liability company, LLC, or L.L.C. You want to make sure to avoid restricted words like bank, insurance, government, or bureau, or university unless you have approval. Now, if you have a desired business name in mind, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the Maryland Business Express website and use the business name search tool. Type it in. If the business name doesn't show up, that means it's available and ready to go. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Maryland requires every LLC to have a registered agent. Now, this person or company receives legal documents on behalf of your business. The registered agent must have a physical address in Maryland, and of course, they must be available during normal business hours. You can be your own registered agent provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. But what we suggest is to hire a professional formation service like LegalZoom, more of that later on in this video, for privacy and convenience. Now, it's time to officially create your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization. Now, the Articles of Organization are the official document that legally establishes your LLC in Maryland. This crucial step is completed through the Maryland Business Express portal. And then all I have to do is very simple. You need to provide your LLC name, the business purpose, principal office address, registered agent information. There is going to be a filing fee of $100. And there is an optional expedited processing fee, which is $50 for same-day approval. Now, once approved, your Maryland LLC is officially formed. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Maryland doesn't require an operating agreement, but it's highly recommended. An operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, member responsibilities, how profits and losses are split. It helps prevent disputes and is often required by banks. Once your LLC is officially formed, the next step is getting set up for taxes and licenses in Maryland. Now, for you to be able to register for state tax accounts, all you have to do is go to the Maryland Comptroller's office. This includes things like sales tax, withholding tax, if you have employees, and any other state taxes that applies to your business. Another option that you can do is secure any necessary business licenses and permits specific to your industry and location within Maryland. Now, you can also utilize the Maryland Business Express for efficient and consolidated registration. Because here, the system allows you to handle tax registration and licensing in one streamlined place, saving you time and avoiding unnecessary paperwork. That's why, you see, traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Maryland. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the Premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option, which will forward you to a new page. Enter your desired business name. If you want to skip it, you can do so by clicking on the next button. Then we need to select the state, and that's gonna be Maryland. Now, if you want to provide your email address and phone number, you can do that. You can also skip it. And we need to choose the industry. In our case, that's gonna be affiliate marketing. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And basically that's it on how to register an LLC in Maryland, which is a solid choice for entrepreneurs who want strong legal protection, credibility, and access to a business-friendly market. While there are ongoing requirements like annual filings and fees, the benefits, limited liability, flexible management, and tax advantages make it worth it for small business owners like you. Now, you can file it yourself directly through the Maryland Department of Assessments and Taxation. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.